Introducing the FML4W wide housing wrap from Lithonia Lighting. Retrofit your space with the FML4W. The 10-inch wide housing wrap easily covers up existing blemishes from older fixtures, allowing for reduced maintenance upon installation. The FML4W is ideal for replacing traditional 2, 3, or 4 lamp T8 or T12 wraps. The FML4W offers multiple lumen packages from 4,000 to 6,000 lumens. With the ALO option, the ability to change the light output to match the existing light in the area has never been easier. The FML4W offers two dimming solutions, 0 to 10 volt dimming and triac dimming. Triac dimming allows for ease of dimming straight through line voltage. The FML4W is suitable for both renovation and new construction. It can fit into a variety of commercial and residential applications, including garages, laundry rooms, fitness centers, small retail stores, and more. The FML4W is also part of our Contractor Select program. Contractor Select takes the guesswork out of lighting by bringing you the most popular and readily available products backed by the trusted performance of the Lithonia Lighting brand. Whether your next project is a renovation or new construction, the FML4W is your solution. Learn more about the FML4W today at lithonia.com.